Today I will explain about the MEP, how we can able to create the air terminal family in our project. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go to choose file, new project. So in the project here, I will use my mechanical template. Okay, so I choose the mechanical template first because when I create the families, I can upload into mechanical template because this is a mechanical template families, right? Okay. So now I can go back to my file, new family. Here you can find out air terminal. So in the family, we couldn't able to find the air terminal family. You know, for example, I can go to system, choose the air terminal here. Okay. So this is a air terminal family. Here you can find out this is supply diffuser air terminal. So new air terminal is showing like this. Okay. So this is our family type, right? The same thing I can go to find out here new. In the new in the family, okay. So here I tried to find, but I couldn't able to find my air terminal. But here I can choose metric generic one. So when you choose your generic model, okay, after that it's showing when you select here. So when you select here, you can able to find out here. See, it's showing family generic model. Okay, right. Now how we can able to convert as our air terminal family. So you can able to go to find out in the family category and parameters. Here you can choose the air terminal. Okay, this is a must. You have to choose the air terminal category. Now you can able to find out here. Now it's showing the air terminal category. So I hope you understand how you can able to get the air terminal family. Got it? Right. After that, as usual, you can able to go to find out your reference plan to create. Okay. So here you can choose your alignment equal. Here also you can create your alignment equal. You can take the measurement and here also the measurement. Okay. Now you can select here. You can go to find out the label. The label air terminal width. You can name it. And here also you can name it air terminal length. Okay. And just create the shortened form. Okay. After that, you can go back to your left view. As usual, you can able to create the reference line. Now you can choose the height or thickness or as per your project, you can able to name it. I can go for the height. Okay. Air terminal height. Okay. I created it. So I can go to find out family type. I have a three parametrics. Height I can go for 200, length 800, and width also I can put it in 800, for example. So it's everything is done now. But here you can make the reference name. It's easy. So better I can create the reference name. Now I can go back to my reference plan, create, choose the execution. I'll just choose the rectangular and drag. Uh, okay, before that, I'll just close it. Okay. I can go to find out the create. I can choose the blend. It's good option. Okay, so I can go find out my rectangle. I have to draw the code. So after that, I can lock this one to my reference plan. Okay, lock this one to my reference plan. It's almost done. After that, here you can find out the edit top. Okay, so when you select the edit top, you can go to find out the set. Okay, actually, you remember I create this top also. Okay, right. Now I can go to choose my rectangular. I can go to choose my offset around 100. Okay, I can draw like this and I can finish it. Now I can go back to my left view. You remember this is our top view. So I just created like this way. Now I can choose my 3D. So it's look like this. Okay. So if you want to reduce this offset, just select, go to edit top. Okay. Go back to your reference plan. Can just remove, go back to your rectangular, make it 200 offset. Click here, spacebar, and fix it. Now you can go back to your 3D. It's, it's showing like this way. Okay, right. Now you can go back to your annotation. Okay, you can take in this measure for reference. So 400 by 400, right? Okay. Now our model is done. Our model is done now. So if you want, you need to do some extra design or extra model from here. See, for example, now you can go to find out void, take the void sweep. Okay. Go to pick path, one, two, and three, and four. Okay. Apply. Now you can go back to your left or front anywhere, which is it's easy to draw your profile. Okay. After that, you can just select go to edit profile. So in this edit profile, I can draw like uh, one line. So I can draw somewhere here. Okay. Can go like this is my profile I'll draw. So after that, I can just make it draw the profile here. Choose the line like this. Now I can trim this one and I can delete this area. Okay. Now you can just apply this. So I'm going to find out. So now you can able to see this one, the shader. So it's showing like this. When you select, you can go to cut. So it's look like this. So like this profiles you can create and you can design it. Okay. As per your project wise, you can create like this one. Right. Now we have to create the uh, duct connect. So how we can able to fix it? Right. Now I can go back to my reference plan, go to choose create, and after that you have to choose it, the duct connect. Okay. In the duct connector, you can find out here work plan. In the work plan, you remember last time I created the top. Okay. Now you can take it. So it's automatically in the top area. Now you can just select. You remember our height and width, we put 400 by 400 as a reference. Okay. Right. So now you can go back to your here. So it's showing like this way. You got it? So this is our duct connect. So after that, you can just select the connector, or you can select your model, and here you can find out the room calculation point. You try to fix it. So it's very easy to calculate your everything. So after that, you can just select, go to find out your flow configurations and flow directions and system calculation. So system, you can able to see this is like a supply here. So here you can able to find out these things. Okay, after that only the system will get it, how it will be working on. So after that, as usual, you can go to save and you can load into your project. You remember I already opened one project here. Okay. So MEP template. It's a mechanical template. So you can find it. So at the same time, don't forget, you should uh, mention the height of your airtime. So now I can go to find the duct. Here I will choose one 600 by 600 duct, and I can put it, that one is around 3500. Okay, I can just drag it up to here. So now I can select my air terminal. I can go to align first, AL, and this one, and I can go to find out the wireframe, which should be the same. Now I can select, right click, go to flexible duct, and I can connect it somewhere here. Now you can go to choose your section plan and check it. So it will be like this. You can go to choose the fine and you can find out the shape. So it will be look like this. So we can able to create our families as per our wish, depends on our projects like this way. I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.